y'all, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeff is back with another video. Alright y'all, it is Friday night. And like I was telling y'all in my last video, it's the month of August and I'm going to show y'all some quick, easy recipes. So y'all don't have to be in the kitchen all day, all night, heating up your house with the stove. And I got a quick dessert right here. It's an old school peach pie, mini peach pie. You can fry it, but I'm going to put it in the oven and bake it. That way you ain't got to use your stove top. Just put it in the oven for 15 minutes and it is ready. It is Friday night and I'm also an advantage doing something quick because I got my first meet and greet tomorrow, Saturday in Chicago. If you're watching this and you're watching this, I think this video will be up Saturday morning. So if you're in Chicago today, I'll be downtown Chicago with Magnificent Mile at Geno's Eats Pizza, 5 o'clock to around 7 p.m. I'm going to stay there probably a couple of hours at least, maybe an hour, depending on how many people show up. But I got a flight early in the morning, so I want to get this old school soul food Friday night pie of the week done. So let's get started here, y'all. All I got here is some pie dough. Y'all know I use these roll out pie dough. And I got me some old school peach preserves. And I hope y'all have had time to make y'all some old school peach preserves. If you haven't, I don't know why. I put the recipe out of over a month ago. So you should have you some old school peach preserve done by now. So what I'm going to do, got this old school roll out pie dough. And what I'm going to do here, I got a bowl here. I don't use my cutters because my cutters is too small for this. So what I do, I take a little bowl here, go around there. I usually get 3 out of a thing. Really 4. I'm gonna double bolt. I'm gonna roll it back again. There we go. There we go. Get this out the way. 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to roll this one up again here. Get the roller pin out. At the end, I'm going to roll it again and roll some more out. So I got 1, 2. I'm trying to get at least 8 of these out of here. So let me move this bowl out the way here. And what I'm going to do, y'all, I'm going to step off. I'm going to do a couple more. And I'm going to step off here and show y'all. Put this out the way. Show y'all one more here. I'm gonna step out and get the other ones cut out, and then we're gonna come back. We're gonna fold them up. This thing takes 30 minutes max to do, y'all. 30 minutes max. Another easy, quick dessert, y'all. My little bowl here, and y'all can make these as big and as small as you want. I'm making these kind of big. I might take them on the plane with me tomorrow. Have something to eat on for breakfast in the morning. Can't go wrong with some peach pie. I go through security with these. They might ask me for these. They might compensate them. What do they say? Compensate when you take them from me? Like, sir, we need to make sure you're not taking nothing you're not supposed to on the plane. Okay. I'm going to do these. I'm going to roll this out. I'm going to cut the other 2 out, y'all. And I'll be back here to show y'all how I'm going to make the filling in there. We'll be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. Okay, now, what I'm going to do now, I've got them all cut out here. I've got my brush here. What I'm going to do, y'all, I like to brush the inside of them like this. So this is going to be the glue that holds it together. And I like to egg wash it before I put the filling so I don't mess up the filling or have filling all on my brush and stuff like that. So what I do, I'll just do it like this before I put the filling. And then, of course, I'm going to egg wash it after I fold it over. Okay, get me a little, open up my peach preserves I made a month ago. Nice seal on them. So now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to fill it with the old school peach preserves, y'all. Look at them nice peach preserves there, homemade. I know y'all seen the video. If you haven't seen the video, man, I'll put a link at the bottom so y'all can check it out. That's what I'm using in the middle of this. And you can use any preserve you want. Strawberry, blackberry, blueberry, apple, pear, anything you want you can put in here in the filling. But I'm using my old school peach. Okay, now, all I'm gonna do, y'all, I know y'all seen me do this before. Fold them over. Make sure it's all touching there. Hold it over here. Make sure they're all touching. We're gonna come back in a minute. We're gonna make sure we seal them with the fork. But it's very simple there. Some of them trying to get out of there. It's okay. We're gonna make sure we seal it in there. This one right here. This one here. This one here. All I'm gonna do, y'all, come back, get a fork there. Make sure you seal them. I'm gonna put on the pan here. I sprayed, I got some sheet pans here. I sprayed Vaseline there, pan spray. I'll show you here in just a second once I get them on the pan. But the key is make sure you got them all pinched off with the fork. Make sure, that's why the egg wash gonna help act as a glue, so the filling don't come out. You will definitely want the filling to stay in there and cook. Move this one over. This one here. See y'all how easy this is? I told you the whole process takes 30 minutes, y'all. You ain't gonna be in the kitchen all day with this. That's the key, to have your old school peach jelly made already. And you can just fill it in there. Peach jelly, not peach jelly, peach preserves, I'm sorry. Okay, now I put my pan back right here. And all I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna put a little egg wash on them here. And they come out nice and pretty out the oven. All egg wash is, I'll take one egg and about maybe a couple, 2 or 3 tablespoons of cold water. That's it. So I'm gonna put these in the oven, y'all. Oh, one more thing I need to do. I almost forgot, y'all. A little sugar on top of them. I almost forgot, y'all. Make a little sugar on top. You're gonna have that little caramelized sugar on them when they come out. You can put cinnamon sugar on it if you want to also. There we go. There we go. A little cinnamon sugar on there, a little sugar on there. 375 degrees, about 15 minutes. And I'll be right back when they're ready. Be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. 15 minutes later, this is what we got. Now, y'all, I'm going to let these sit up for maybe 10, 15 minutes, because one more thing I'm going to add to these to take them to another level than what they already at. And it's something very simple. This is what I got here. All I got here, y'all, is a little glaze. But I'm going to let them cool off just a little so the glaze don't completely melt on them. All this is, y'all, is a half a cup of sugar and a teaspoon of milk. That's all this is. You can put vanilla in it if you want to, but that's all this is, y'all. That's all my glaze is. So, I'm going to put a little glaze on there. And when we come back, I'm going to let them cool about 10, 15 minutes. And we'll be right back. Okay, y'all, I'm back here. All I'm going to do, y'all, is take this here and drizzle it like this over the top of it. Give it a little extra hump there. Just let it flow on top. Ain't go wrong with a little extra powdered sugar glaze, right? Ain't nothing meant in science how it is. Just put it on there where you can get it. I don't know if I can eat these with my hand now, huh? I have to use a fork. Keep it fancy. Keep it fancy, y'all. Alright. Get the other one here. Move this one out the way. This one here. See if I got enough to cover the next 4 here. And y'all don't have to put this extra step, y'all. Just something make it even more healthy for you. Hold on just a second. Okay, y'all, I'm back. That's what happens when phone calls come in when you're doing videos. Okay. Let's get this last one on here. And that'll do it, y'all. Look at that. Look at that. Now, let's get them all plated up in here. I don't know how I'm going to plate them. I was going to plate them on a little bowl here. Let's see how this going to look. My buddy Daddy Jack say, eye appeal is what? Half the meal. A nice sugar there. Let's see how we're going to get them off of here, y'all. I don't want to come off of there. There we go. Nice sugary. There we go. This one here. Here. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna be right back. I'm gonna get them all plated out, and I'll be right back with the final product. Okay, y'all, we are back. I am sorry, I had a lot of, in the last 5-6 minutes, I had so many interruptions. I had a phone call coming through. I had to answer where I left first time, and now I had my lawn people show up. I'm not here on Saturday, which they normally do it, so I asked them to come today, and I didn't know what time they're going to make it. So I had to stop and go show them exactly what I needed done. So that's what's going on behind the scenes. I'll let y'all know. I keep it real and don't edit out a lot. You probably can hear the lawnmower going here as I'm talking, but I'm not going to edit it out. This is really how it goes on here. So anyway, I'm back here. I decided to put it on the platter too. I was looking at the presentation, so I say it looks better on a platter. So let me show y'all here. See those? See how those look? And the glaze sits on there nicely. So anyway, we're gonna try one of these. I don't know if I'm gonna pick it up and eat it or cut it with a fork. And either way it is, it's gonna be nice. Let me get the one off the top here. We're gonna cut right in two. Look at that here. Look at that. See that? Nice gooey filling in there. Let's try this out, y'all. I know it's already good. Filling is hot. Got that nice powdered sugar glaze on there. Hey, don't get no better, y'all. And you know I'm gonna let these cool off. I'm gonna put these in a Ziploc bag tomorrow and take on the plane with me. Who knows? I might have some at the meet and greet. But anyway, a nice quick video. Friday night, we'll call this pie of the week. So anyway, before I close this video, if you're out and about in Chicago tomorrow, well, it's really Saturday. Let me say Saturday. I'm saying tomorrow, but when you see this video, it ain't gonna be tomorrow. It's gonna be today. Stop by. I'll be down there. I'm gonna try to stay a couple hours. I'll definitely be there by 5 o'clock. Come have a pizza with me. Hang out with me a little bit, and let me meet some of the people that follow me. I like to put a name to the face of some of y'all. It really means a lot for me to do that. Y'all know what I look like. Y'all know me. And just, you know, take some pictures, do some fist bumps, and go from there. So anyway, if you like this video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag old school, help somebody, old school soul food. Until next time, have a blessed old school soul food day, and I'll see y'all in the next video. In Chicago, I will see y'all very soon. Love y'all. Bye.